Adam, yeah, you could open that. Adam, you could open that.
Oh shit, you could, huh?
Why don't you just take a sneak peek real quick?
Yeah, I was looking.
I don't know, just take a sneak peek. If it's bad to do, we'll run. Oh, oh my God, Adam. I gotta get some footage.
Hurry up, we're both fucking throwing my mess out this shit. Yo, you're gonna make me a copy of this tape.
Oh, yeah.
I just open it real quick. Yeah, I just opened it.
Oh, there ain't nothing in here.
But Mercy Brown used to be in there. Some shady shit, huh?
People drinking it. Holy shit, shut that. We're crazy. Yo, I can't believe we just went in there. I felt ghostly shit. Wow. That's some footage. Yo, there's some stuff happening there. I'm fucking scared. I want to go chill and record some shit. And that's where she lays down. Alright, what do you think these people would do? I don't think there's people even in there.
Nah, they're in there sometimes, bro.
Yeah? Dude, we just walked in the graveyard and opened that. They don't even put a lock on it. Why? It must be a curse or some shit. Look at this shit. There's the fucking rock. Still looks like it has blood on it. It's her sister that she supposedly killed. There's a rock where they burned her heart on it. Still looks like it got blood on it, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Why, you don't?
Oh no.
Oh, it's not red, right? That's not red. No, that's fucking different colors.
That might have been the kid and shit.
What, the MOB?
Maybe she had a brother or something.
It has B for brown. That one has EAS. There's no more of those buildings either, huh? We just went in there. Oh, hey!